Hello and welcome to Easy How To Videos, and in this video I will show you how to remove a background on an image and replace it with another background on Adobe Photoshop. For example, we want to change the background of the first image here, and we want to change the background with the second image here. First, we have to remove the background on the first image. To do that, we can just go to Layer on the right panel, and then we go right click and duplicate the layer. You can name it anything you like, and after you're done, you can hide the background and you select the background copy. After that, we go to the quick action panel here, and then we remove the background. Right, so the background is removed, but for some point it's also being removed by the AI. So we have to fix some part of the picture. To do that, we can just go to the mask layer here. We select the brush tool. By using the white color, we brush the part of the image that we don't want to be removed. After you're done fixing, you can just easily drag and drop the image to the new background here. So that's it, my easy guide on how to remove a background on an image and change the background with another image. Hope this video can help you, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the ring icon to get a notification on my next easy how to videos. Thanks for watching and have a good day.